Sure. Back in 2009, I joined LG Electronics as my first company in Korea and started working at System IC Research Institute in the steel division of LG Electronics. Beginning my career in software-based tasks and obtaining important core asset as a SoC architect. During this process of preparing for the future of vehicle SoCs at the System IC, I was able to first encounter functional safety. Using this opportunity as a stepping stone, I had a chance to work with a global OEM, Mercedes-Benz, at the vehicle component solution company. Starting as a safety architect, I eventually led functional safety for LG Electronics multipurpose front camera project as a safety manager. As a result, we were able to achieve significant product and process Asia certification from TÜV Rheinland. Subsequently, I continued to prepare for the future of functional safety by improving our company process for the SOTIF ISO 21448, where coverage needs to be improved. And now, through expanding my role as a system architect, we are preparing with experts on scalable and safety architecture for XDC, ADAS, and AD for coming trend centralized architecture. As a functional safety expert in Korea, to be honest, I'm extremely honored to have obtaining the TÜV Rheinland Functional Safety Expert certification, the first of its kind in Asia Pacific area. This achievement represents not only my personal growth and development as the professional, but also highlighted the growing importance of functional safety in various industries in Korea. The TÜV Rheinland experts is recognized globally as a standard for functional safety expertise, and I'm honored to have met the rigorous requirements to obtain it. I believe that this certification or qualification will enable me to provide a more reliable safety concept to my customer and guideline to my colleagues, and to contribute to creating safety environment or better safety environment for coming autonomous industry such as autonomous driving vehicles. I'm excited to continue learning and growing in this field and to be at forefront of the promoting functional safety in Korea and LG Electronics for the future. I have been contemplating my personal qualification management plan in light of the new paradigm of transitioning to autonomous driving and electric vehicle, with a focus on contributing to my company competitiveness in autonomous functional safety and developing my personal career. During this process, I received a recommendation from TÜV Rheinland Korea for their functional safety expert certification program, which fortunately met the intense qualification requirements and led to an in-depth evaluation by TÜV Rheinland German headquarters. Eventually, I'm very happy to achieve a positive outcome and plan to continue my journey of my professional expertise to adapt to the rapid changes in the autonomous industry, while also contributing to the safety culture in my company LGE and in Korea. Special reason for TÜV Rheinland. Okay, I have had opportunity to work closely with TÜV Rheinland for a significant period of the time in preparing for ASIL certification for LG Electronics world first ADAS camera products. As you may know, achieving ASIL certification involves solving in-depth technical challenges throughout the certification process, and with TÜV comprehensive support through their global network, we were able to meet the global standard and achieve the practical assistance necessary for our product. This process provided me with opportunity to work with outstanding global experts, confirm the reliability of our work result. And this is why I can say I believe TÜV Rheinland's work, and this is the reason why I choose TÜV Rheinland. Well, I think that now when considering autonomous driving, one should be familiar with the UNEC regulation 155, 156, and 157. By examining these requirements to comply with these regulations, we can see that ISO 2626 alone has a limitation in adapting to the change brought about by the era of the autonomous driving. Of course, ISO 26262 will need to be revised to provide a guideline for new technologies such as AI and define stricter requirements for autonomous vehicle for the future and keep up with changing trends in a system SoC, a system on chip, SoC design, like for example, chiplet. However, relevant standards are emerging rapidly. So for the flexible adaptation for our target system, for now, cybersecurity 21434, artificial intelligence application, like for example 2144 SOTIF, and then 8800, and sensor interface related ISO 23150 standard should be also considered accordingly. One thing that I can say, as mentioned earlier, along with the cybersecurity, AI-friendly automotive application and software updates, functional safety will become more important in the era of the autonomous driving and future vehicle E&E changes. If you are currently working on the A-Shield product, you must be having a very difficult time at this moment. I believe that. But you are testing one of the most important value for the future product, and the functional safety, it is not choice anymore. I believe it will be mandatory and inevitable, and then this might be our future. Thank you.